it's been a while. Trunk or treat went well, and then my husband, because he loves me so very much, jumped on this project for my birds. I think I had mentioned it before about how much it was driving me nuts that they were getting seed everywhere, and they were kind of a tower of cages. And I kind of just mentioned, like, I'd really like you just to build one, because we weren't finding any cabinets that would hold everybody, and I wanted the ability to be able to come in and change it. And so we started researching and coming up with ideas. We looked on the internet for a few, and we found some where they had taken the old cage fronts like this so that you could still put food dishes and water dishes in for your birds, and so I can still open it and get inside. And so I have that opening there, and then this one down here, which has 4 cup holders. And I was able to put some of my perches that have the washers in there. And then my husband built all of these new perches for them. We have 14 finches and 1 cockatiel. And my cockatiel is old, so I don't know how much climbing around she's actually going to do at this point. But we've got plexiglass at the bottom that he put in there, and so we can slide this out when we clean the cage for him. I'll just put some papers and just a little bit of shavings in there for him, just to kind of absorb when they poop, so it doesn't just stick to this, but it'll be really easy to clean. And this just slides out, and then I can wipe it down and put it back. And then down here is where we'll store their food and their grit. And all of these branches I can move around in different ways and setups so that they don't get bored. But it goes up really high, and I love that they're going to have the ability to just be kind of all over in here. And then we put this screen on the front, so I'm not quite sure how quick they're going to pick up to the new food and water and stuff. And so I didn't want the seed coming out everywhere, and so he grabbed the rest of this mesh and stuck it over the front so that it will hold food back in case they do. And so he's going to go through, we're actually going to change it because this mesh is dark. It's actually like screen material, and it's dark, and he said that there was one that was actually like better to see through, like almost invisible, and so I want that one for the front so we can still see the birds. But then he's going to wrap like a dowel at the bottom so that it will kind of keep it taut to the cage, and then that way hopefully I don't have seed everywhere anymore. There's a really pretty wood paneling, I don't know if you can see it from here, on this, which looks so pretty. So they're totally living in style. And then they still get their little swings, and I'll be able to put millet holders. There's one down there, the pink one, but I can put a few more up here. I think the finches are going to stay more towards the top, and then Dosey, my old cockatiel, will be mostly towards the bottom. So it is move-in time. My son has been so very, very patient with them in his room while my husband's been working on this. It was kind of a fiasco. We were moving the cages around as we were trying to do this, and one of the stupid cage doors just popped open, and it had 1 male, 1 female in it. It had the baby from the first clutch this year, the only one that survived, plus a little female I had matched him with in it, and the cage door just popped open by itself. And of course he flew outside, and I am crying, no! My son's screaming, the bird is out, the bird is out. The front door was open because my husband was carrying wood in and out, and I'm trying to catch the female, and I'm crying because it's cold, it's snowy, and I thought, oh my goodness, he's dead. But my husband caught him, and so we got him back inside. So they have all been in 2 cages now for the last 2 days while he's been finishing this project. And so we are going to move them in so they can try their new house. So I'm going to pause it, and we're going to catch them so you guys can see them. Hey, Stu. Hey, Stu. Kitty. He says, I'm ready for night. Okay, I'll be right back. They're definitely talking a lot. What do you think, Dose, huh? Huh, old girl? Huh, old girl? Yeah. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? The beaver tins are not moving down too much yet. They've come down to this brown perch right here, and one of them came to the food dish up there. It may take them a couple days to get used to coming down lower. They don't know what to think. We're gonna have to get some ladders for Dosey, just so she can get around a little bit easier down here. But she was just eating, so that makes me happy. She's just trying to figure out how to get around through all the different areas. What are you doing? Huh? They're so loud. She's eating the little seeds that are on the ground already. She's eating the little seeds at the bottom.
Nice.
Yeah. I need to give her sunflower seeds too. Yeah, you little noise boxes, huh? Alright, so I'm just gonna hope that they start exploring a little bit more tomorrow. I hope they don't stay up there on those top perches, because I can't see them as well up there. I hope I see them moving all around here, because that's what really would make me happy. And we're still going to have to put a blanket of some sort so that I can quiet them when I need to, because they are loud. So anyway, such a blessing my husband made this cage for me. So thank you, husband. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Grow as you go.